Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. Welcome to this video, and in this video I am going to say the difference between investing and trading. I was making a series of videos about trading, but most of the people ask me doubts about investing. Actually, when I try to explain them about trading, most of the people don't have the idea about trading. They think buying some stocks, selling some stocks, this is stock market. That is, they are talking about investment. So I want to make a clear picture, the difference between what is investing and trading. Okay, in this video I am not going to explain how to invest and where to invest and the different methods of investing, or how to trade and what are the different methods of trading and the different types and strategies like that. I am just going to explain the difference between the investing and trading. Okay, taking the example of real estate business. The real estate means buying of land, selling of land. Most of us may be directly or indirectly engaged in the real estate business. We might have done at least once in our lifetime. So I am taking this example. Okay, I am having a property at a prime location. You are a buyer of property. You are inquiring for a land to construct house. What will be the parameters for you to buy a plot for constructing the house? Think from your heart. You can get the reply. First, you should have a good and decent road access to the property. Next, you should have water facility. You should have the accessibility to school, college, hospitals, railway station, bus stand, and like that, traveling accessibility. Like that, we will have few parameters to buy a land. I am asking for 1 crore. If you think that all the parameters are good and this is a suitable place for constructing your house, you will just buy it from me. You are paying 1 crore rupee and getting the land registered in your name. This is the direct way of real estate. Okay, you are a buyer, you need the property, you are looking for all the parameters are good for you and you are ready to buy the land. You are paying me the entire cash 1 CR and you are getting the land registered in your name. This is what happens in the investment market, the equity market. Here you are going and buying some shares. To buy some shares, what should you have the idea in your mind? Basically, you should know the fundamentals of the stock. You should know the fundamentals of the stock. You should know whether it is a good company, it is a less debt company, is it a growth sector, is it in the growth sector, will it have a development in the future, and you do fundamental analysis of the stocks and you go and purchase in the cash market. You can buy 1, 2, 5, 10 or 15, 100, n number of stocks as you like. Paying cash, getting the stock. This is direct investment. Okay, this is direct investment. There are different types of investment like SIP, mutual funds, and like there are a lot of investment methods. I am not going into the detail in that. Okay, in this video I just want to explain the difference between investing and trading. That's my aim. So you just pay the cash, you are buying the stocks and it comes to your demat account. That is the process of equity market. That is called investment. It can be short time investment, it can be a long term investment. That's all different sections. Now you are coming to trading. What is the difference between investing and trading? Trading simply is not going and buying the stocks. You are making an agreement. You are making you are selling the contracts. You are coming to an agreement with a party. In this case also, we can take the same example of the land. I am having the land in the prime location. I am having a neighboring plot and it is a government property. Listen carefully. This is my property which I have to sell. It is in a prime location. It has road facilities, electricity, water and everything, accessibility and everything is good, and it is about 1 crore rupee. The value of my property is 1 crore rupee. But the neighboring plot, which is a huge property, is a government property. There is a rumor in the market that some huge project is likely to come in this particular land. Some people are saying that a medical college is likely to be set up by the government. Some people say a garbage dump yard is planned by the government in that particular location. That is, there is a positive news about that property and a negative news about that property. The positive news, a medical college or a AIMS hospital is going to be constructed in that particular government land. That is a positive news. How is it a positive news? When the medical college or a hospital is coming there, is constructed in that particular area, definitely the value of my land may go to 10x, 20x or even more. There are a lot of possibilities for the land to increase its value. My land, which is having just 1 crore, is increasing by several times if it is a positive project like a hospital or medical college or something, if it comes in the government property. The next rumor is a garbage dump yard is going to be, a plant is going to come in this particular area. Is it a positive or negative news? Definitely, according to me as a landowner, it is a negative news for me, because if a garbage dump yard is coming there, lot of problems and issues will come. Automatically the value of my property will fall to 50% or even more. Most of the people will not like to have the residence near a garbage dump yard, isn't it? That's the case. So two news can affect differently on the same land. My land is now at the marketplace and I am asking for 1 crore and many people are ready to pay this 1 crore. There is a positive news. If a medical college comes there, my property will change to 10x or even more. If a garbage dump yard is coming there in that particular neighboring property, my value, the property value will fall even 50% or even more. Okay, two scenarios. Now a party, now a buyer. Assume that it is you. You are having a clear picture, that you have a clear idea that a medical college is coming in that particular location and the value of my land is going to rise about 10 or 20x. Okay, you are having a clean picture. I am also having a clean picture that something is going to come, but I am not sure. As you are having an idea and you think that the project is going to come here, you are ready to buy the land from me. Okay, you need this land from me. I am also having some demand. I also think that some positive project is going to come and I am asking for 2 crore. The value actually is 1 crore. Now I am creating a demand and I am asking for 2 crore. You as a buyer, will you be ready to give 2 crore for a property which is having just value of 1 crore? You will think for a while. You are just approaching me. Okay, before that you have an assumption and you have some information that the project is likely to come at that particular area within 2 months. Within 2 months, government is going to announce the particular plan. So you are coming and approaching me and you are telling me that you are ready to pay a token of 5 lakhs. You are ready to pay a token of 5 lakhs and you are asking for a period of 3 months. The aim in your mind is, if the project is a medical college or AIMS hospital or like that, a positive project, the value of this land will rise to 10x, 20x and even more. Okay, so your plan is simple. If it is a positive project, this land will turn to 20x and 30x and you can get a huge profit from that. But in your mind you are having a small doubt. If it is a negative project, you will lose your premium or advance which you are giving to the property. If it is a negative project, you will lose the advance which you are giving to the property. So you will always try to pay a small amount as an advance, because you are having in your mind just 50-50 chance. If it is a positive chance, positive project, definitely the price of the land is going to 10x, 20x or even more and you are going to generate a huge profit. But if it is a negative project, definitely you are going to lose the advance, because you won't be ready to write it for even 1 crore. If there is a garbage dump yard coming in that particular location, if you are buying for 1 crore, next day onwards the value of the land may fall 50% or even below, definitely. Okay, this is the scenario. In this case we are working on contracts. As I am a seller, I also know if it is a positive news, definitely it will be a loss for me. It will be a loss for me personally. If it is a negative news, if I get the advance from you, definitely it will be a great profit for me. I am selling it for 2 crore and getting an advance of 5 lakhs. If I get an advance of 5 lakhs, even though if you are not coming with an agreement, you are not proceeding with the agreement, the advance which I collected will be in my pocket. It is a negative project which is coming near me and I am going to lose the value of my land. This is what happens in the derivative market. We are always making a bet. There is a buyer, there is a seller. We are coming into a contract. The contract will have an expiry. In stocks we have monthly expiry. In the Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty we have weekly and monthly expiry. Okay, we are getting into a contract. There will be a buyer, there will be a seller. If you are a buyer, you have to pay an advance. That is we call premium. If you are a seller, you should pay the margin money. It will be very huge amount. Okay. If you are a buyer, you are just paying an advance. This is happening in the derivative market. I can't explain it all in this video. What is options, what is futures, how should we trade in options, what is call option, what is put option, what is the buyer's role, what is the seller's role, everything I will be explaining one by one. In this video, you just want to understand the difference between investing and trading. What is good? Investing has its pros and cons. Like that, trading also has pros and cons. Okay, mostly investors never trade. Mostly traders trade, and some of the traders trade and they invest. They do both. You should have a clear picture about investing and trading. Investing, you are just going, paying the enter cash and you are buying any number of stocks. If it is 5, 10, 15 or any number of stocks. In derivative market, you are trading the contracts. You are going with an agreement. If you should have a clear idea where the market is going, you are betting on that particular strike or particular option. Okay, you are just betting. It will go up to this point. it will go up to this point on the downside. You are betting and you are going into a contract. Here you can't buy 1 or 2 stocks, you should buy in lots. Even if you are trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, you should buy in lots and sell in lots. How to buy, how to sell, what is futures, options, and what is derivative market, I will come with clear video. In this video, I just want to explain the difference between investment and trading. Okay, now I think you had a clear picture about investment and trading. Don't confuse investment with trading. Investment is completely different subject and trading is completely different subject. Both we are doing in the stock market. So, okay, for a common man, when we say about stock market, just they think in their mind buying some stocks, selling some stocks. If the stock goes high, you are getting profit. If the stock falls down, you are losing. This is the mindset of a common man about the stock market, but this is not the actual picture of the stock market. Even if the stock is falling, you are going to make money. There are methods for that. Even if the index is falling down, you can make money. There are methods for making money even if your stocks are falling. You can have insurance for your stocks. You can sell the contracts. Like that, there are different methods of investing, different methods of trading. So always think that investment is different and trading is different. Okay, I am a trader and I have made a series of videos only about trading, technical analysis and psychology. Okay, investing, if you want to make videos on investing, I will put some few videos. I will make few videos on investing too, to have a clear picture how to invest, how to find good stocks, how to analyze their fundamentals, and how to get a clear picture on the different sectors, how we can make a diversified investment. Like that, I will make some videos on investing, and on trading also, how to trade futures, options, what is call option, put option, what is in the money, at the money, out of the money. We have a lot of subject regarding derivative market, and also I will be explaining. Don't ever confuse investing and trading. Investing is completely a different subject. Nothing you have to do in investing. Put your money, buy some stocks, keep in your demat account. Simple. Okay. In trading, you have to know a lot of things, where your stock is going to move, where your index is going to move, up or down, everything you should have and calculation. If it has to move the particular period within the particular time, there are time frame like the theta, gamma, vega, rho. There are a lot of factors in derivative market, and derivative price movements is completely different from equity price movements. Okay, so now I want to just explain what is investing and trading. I think I have done. If you don't understand, please go and watch some more videos where you can get a clear idea about investing and trading. Okay, few of my friends don't know the difference between investing and trading. That's why I am making this video, and I think you had a clear idea. Yes, that's all from this video. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Bye.